Hello everyone, my name is Juan and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Finboot, a technology company enabling digital traceability ecosystems for large industrial companies to help them gather and share supply chain and product data in a secure, reliable and trustworthy way. Our technology helps our clients substantiate their ESG and sustainability credentials, which leads to a stronger market position. Today, I want to talk about sustainable fuels and the different chain of custody approaches behind them. These chain of custody approaches will aim to answer the question, what makes these fuels sustainable? The reason this is such an important question is that these sustainable fuels are compatible with existing fleets, aircrafts, and overall infrastructure. On the one hand, this means they are a well-suited option for an immediate and efficient reduction of the transport-related emissions. On the other hand, when burned, these fuels produce similar amounts of carbon emissions to fossil fuels, which poses the question, how are they sustainable? The answer lies in the supply chain, as they are produced from plants, waste, or even carbon capture, as opposed to oil and gas. This makes the life cycle emissions significantly lower to the traditional alternative. But that means tracing the production process, the provenance of raw materials, and the end-to-end chain of custody is critical to ensure a transparent and reliable decarbonization. When it comes to the chain of custody, there's typically three approaches to verify the reduction on emissions of these fuels. A segregated approach, where the entire supply chain is separate from traditional fuels, different raw materials, dedicated production facilities, and a segregated distribution network. A mass balance approach, where we blend sustainable materials with fossils and use a bookkeeping mechanism for a transparent and reliable allocation of raw materials to final product. And a book and claim approach, which focuses more on consumption. And it is a chain of custody system currently used in aviation, where the geographic supply is challenged by the global demand, for which another bookkeeping mechanism provides a transparent audit trail and avoids double counting. Finboot's traceability solutions can support you in creating these collaborative ecosystems where different organizations can easily share and verify data on products, raw materials, and chain of custody. Please reach out to find out more.